In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Pfizer put options in Canada, ticker symbol PFE here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple opened up on your device, go to the bottom here and press on the magnifying glass. So about two options over from the left, or the second option, I guess, press on the magnifying glass icon. Go to the top and press on the search bar and type in ticker symbol PFE for Pfizer. Now, as you can tell, there actually is two options right here that say PFE. So there's the Pfizer CDR Canadian Hedge, or there's the PFE Pfizer Inc. We want the one that says options right beside it, so two options down where it says PFE options. We want that one right there, a part of the New York Stock Exchange. Press on that, go to the bottom, press on buy, and then press on options. Now, to buy Pfizer put options, make sure that at the top here it says, I believe that Pfizer will rise by. Press on where it says rise, press on where it says put option, and it should change it to PFE will fall by. That is how you guys know that a put option is being selected. Now, if you want to change the expiry date, press on September 29th for me, and you can go ahead and change it to whatever expiry date that you want down the road. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and keep it the same. Now, you can either go in the money first strike price or out of the money first strike price. So if you wanted to do for demonstration purposes, go out of the money for $32.50 USD. We'll press on this one right here. And to finalize this purchase, go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Pfizer put options in Canada. Ticker symbol PFE here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.